Hey y'all, I'm Kenya and welcome to my channel. I'm so grateful and thankful that you are here to do an unboxing with me today. So in this video, I will be unboxing this amazing box. It's pretty big, you guys, from the Happy Planner, and I'm super excited to get into it and share it with you guys and open it with y'all. So yeah, if you want to see what's inside, definitely you know what to do. Stay tuned. Okay, so we're gonna go, I'm just gonna kind of flip it over. It says fall in love with today. So you guys, oh my gosh. Okay, so we're gonna just open it. And I kind of don't want to like rip this part. Y'all know I'm trying to save the packaging to things, but we're gonna rip it anyway. Okay, that's not pretty, but I think that's the only way I can open it, so yeah, it is. Okay, I'm gonna just slide it off, and oh my goodness, look at this tissue paper, you guys. Oh, it's so pretty. XOXO is Valentine's Day themed, and I'm just like, yes. Okay, I wish I knew because of the hearts on the box, but okay. Oh yes, we can just slide it off. Oh my goodness. Okay, it's so pretty, you guys. That is so beautiful. Okay, so first off, you guys, they always give us a beautiful card, and I know I'm a little close, so do I need to back up some? I'll just back up a little bit because I want y'all to really see it. Okay, so it says do all things with love, and it has these red and pink florals. Well, these are more pink florals with a splash of white on it. It says plan with love. In this box, you'll find romantic florals, happy hearts, and accessories to plan a life full of love. So it comes with one classic notebook, and you guys see that, some metal disc. We get some washi tape, and we got some stickers, 8 sheets, and then we get a silicone pouch. You guys, oh my gosh, yes, this is so awesome. And here are the hashtags, y'all. So in case y'all are interested in sharing on social media. So you guys are so cute. Okay, oh, I love it. So I'm gonna flip through, and actually, yeah. Oh, cool. I have to pop it back on. Mine's off. I love that black and white, y'all. Okay, we're gonna just pull everything out, and I'm just gonna step it to the side, but we're gonna pull it all out, y'all, because I'm anxious to see what these stickers look like. OMG, that's pretty. Okay, let's do it. Okay, so first things first, I'm gonna show y'all the pouch first. It says enjoy the little things, and it has that rubbery feel, very much like that Wild Style one from last year. You guys, it's so pretty, and it's white. It has pink, a pink heart, a red heart, just kind of scattered throughout, but I love it. It has a gold zipper detail, and it's black on the inside. Super cute, y'all. I love it. It's precious. Okay, so now I'm gonna share, you guys, we got these red metal disc. Yes, red metal disc. I love it. I love it. I love it. Okay, this is cute. And then we got us some washi tape. And y'all, okay, one thing about my collection, I don't have a lot of washi, and so I'm excited to have this because it's really helping me up my washi game. And we have XOXO in red, and then this one looks like pink and white striped. This is a red heart. Well, it's like white hearts with on red washi. And then this is, it looks like a pink floral pattern. Can y'all see that? And then we have black and white dotted, kind of like that splatter almost. And then this one is pink, and it says love is in the air. Yeah. Yeah, it says love is in the air all throughout. And then we have this heart pattern that's very similar to the tissue paper, the white. Yes, I like it. That's cute too. Okay, so now we're gonna flip through these stickers right quick, and I'm gonna open it too. Gonna open it all up. Let's see if I can get it nice and sliced. And it has 147 pieces in it, and it's one of those, like, you know, mini sticker packs, you know, that we see. Happy Planner came out with some in the fall. Now they've had these for a while. I normally see them at Hobby Lobby. Oh, y'all see that red foil? Oh my gosh, they really pop. Okay, and it has some quote stickers. These are clear, and then some hearts. So that's beautiful, you guys. That is beautiful. Oh my goodness, look at these. Some red florals. They know we like our flowers. So another sheet of that. So I'm gonna step back a little bit. Okay, we got some red hearts. Those are nice. Oh my goodness, look at the little mailboxes and like the ticket stubs. Can y'all see that? Yes, 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 yes. I love it. Okay, and then this is some, like, these are all clear. None of this is paper so far. So XOXO in the pink, red, and black. And then you got some envelopes. And they are, that's a pink, and then that's red and black too. So I like it. These are some cute little icons. Fall in love with today. There's beauty all around. Just some nice, you know, Valentine's Day themed quotes on this page. Yeah, so I'm gonna flip through that one more time because I feel like that was kind of quick, and I want to make sure my besties can see it. So we're gonna pan down a little bit, and you guys know that was red foil. Of course, these florals again, and oh yeah, it's just one page. Okay. Oh, see, I knew I was missing something. These are gold, you guys, gold, and then these are red. Okay, and then here are mailboxes. This is super cute. Okay, it's just cute. It's cute. I love Valentine's Day stuff, so it's cute. The black, red, and white, and pink. It's like, I love it. I love that they even kind of came out with this holiday themed type box. Okay, so I'm gonna set that aside, and then we're going to first pop. Oh, okay then. Okay, girl, I see you with your floral bag. Excuse us. We're gonna pop that on. Y'all see that? Now that's pretty. Okay, I'm like, is it? I like it. I like it. Okay, so it says do all things with love, and it's a gold foil, of course. And here it's black and white polka dot on the inside, and then you have on the inside, and then you have this, and we're gonna just slice it off right quick. And so this looks like just a happy notes. So here's the first divider, and it comes with these almost like a coral pink to me plastic disc, and then of course the mini size. Okay, so now we got the inside of that divider, and then the spine of the page. This is a dotted line type paper, yeah, and it has XOXO at the bottom, and then you have the hearts down the spine. So yeah, and I believe they're all the same. Yeah, they're all the same, so that's nice. And here's our other divider, Love Life, and it has just a striped pattern on the back, same paper on this one. And then we have this divider that's like, it's almost like the reverse of the pouch, with it being white, and I don't see pink hearts, I just see red hearts. So enjoy the little things, that's what it says as well. And then of course on the back it's the same, and more of that paper. And then we have the back cover, Plan a Happy Life. So yeah, y'all. So that's the notebook. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. Here's our little pouch, and we got some stickers, and we got some red disc, and I pan out a little bit so y'all can see everything. And then we have this washi. So yeah, that's the Valentine's Day box, you guys. This box will actually go live and it'll be available on February 7th, and I believe at 9 a.m. I have all the description, like all the details in the description box below. But yeah, you guys, it will be on sale. I'll share the price. I'm not sure if they have a coupon code out about it yet, just yet, but it'll be available February 7th. So definitely check out the description. And yeah, let me know what you're thinking, what your thoughts are. Are you planning on picking up something for V-Day? You know, maybe like a Valentine's gift. This would be cute for that, I think. So yeah, let me know what you guys are thinking. And can we get into these discs? Are y'all feeling that? I'm feeling them. All right, so yeah, thank you guys so much for watching and being so sweet and so awesome and always supporting us on the squad and the Happy Planner, and just being a wonderful community to be a part of. I love you guys dearly, and as always, until next time, bye.